My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called NYX. Some people may see that their files have been damaged by this NYX ransomware. Indeed, this ransomware brings a lot of troubles. But my video is only for the educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. Before the ransomware attack, users are able to open their data without complications. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documentation, and other data. Unfortunately, some computers are indeed vulnerable before the ransomware attacks, and because of that, this NYX ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the system. It is called like that because it encrypts files and appends this special NYX extension to the file names. The ransomware also drops a special ransom note mentioning that the files have been damaged and encrypted and that the victims need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. On the other hand, paying the ransom doesn't guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money. Don't pay it. We recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and click on Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Then at the end of the scanning you will see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations. A Combo Cleaner is provided with anti-ransomware feature, allowing you to add one or several folders that will always be under the protection against ransomware attacks. A Combo Cleaner, however, does not decrypt files. It only helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data from being damaged in the future. So wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. You will see the summary of threats. At the end of the scan, you will be able to know their locations. I recommend that you upgrade to Premium as the best solution to keep your files always protected.